Hey guys, welcome back to the workshop. And today I want to show you a tool that's probably the best one you don't have. So a few days ago I made a post on Instagram asking my fellow creator, cosplayer friends, what is the tool in their workshop that they could not live without or just really enjoy using? And most people answered hot glue gun, heat gun, Dremel, like a rotary tool. And I kind of got an idea for a video. And this video is about the best tool that you don't have. And in my opinion, this is it. It's a little foot controller pedal switch for any kind of tool, really. It kind of works like a sewing machine pedal, so the more you press on it, the more power goes through it and the faster the tool spins. You can also use it for like a heat gun or something. In essence, any dumb electric device will be able to be controlled by this. This makes your tools feel so much more useful because you can adjust the heat, the RPM, everything on the fly. It's really awesome. Basically, a foot pedal switch is a middleman between the outlet and the tool. So you plug it into your socket and then you plug in the tool here. So I'm just gonna plug in the pedal into the power socket here that I have on my table. Bim bam boom. And I'm gonna plug in my rotary tool that I have here on the table into the plug here. So see, even though my rotary tool is set to maximum speed and it's powered on and everything, it's not spinning because, well, the pedal is not pressed down. So usually you would have this under your table, but obviously we don't have a camera under there. So I'll do it with my hand. So as soon as I press on it, you see the bit rotates. I hope you can see it. At least you can hear it from the microphone. And the harder I press, the faster it spins. And this is super useful if you're sculpting or sanding or polishing something really fine and you want to use it either as an RPM control or a deadman switch. And by deadman switch, I mean immediately cutting power to the tool and preventing further damage or injury. With shipping, I think it cost me around $8 to get it delivered from China to Denmark. And it's probably the best $8 I've ever spent. One thing that you probably noticed is that mine has 3 sockets instead of 1 on the end. That's because I made a slight modification to mine. What I like to do is plug in multiple tools to the same pedal, and that way by turning on and off the appropriate tool I can control all of them at the same time. In any case, I think this is the best tool you probably don't have. Let me know in comments down below if there's any other tools that are quite rare or you've not seen much but you use and you really enjoy. And let me know what you thought about this sort of a review video format instead of me talking about what I've made. That being said, thank you for watching and maybe share this video with a cosplayer or a crafty friend of yours that might benefit from it. Please consider subscribing if you liked the video and it just shows me that you care. Yeah, see you in the next one.